What's up, everybody? Welcome to another week of the number one show. It's all about Pree Dis, and I'm your host, Cruddy. Now, we're here at Devon House, and you know, in Pree Dis, we always have entertainment and lifestyle well excited. So don't move a muscle, no flipping, stay right there, because when we get back, guess what? We have a lot more. Keep it locked. Sun hot, so I need my Zephyr Hill. The venue was Fantasy Beach in St. Anne's at Priory. And you don't know, it's all about rum bar, bubbles. Big up to the whole team that turned out. There was a couple shot in the building, illusion sound, a lot more. You don't know the Pree Dis team. We were there to bring in the excitement. So if you weren't there for real, you need to watch it. You need to check it out. Rum bar, bubbles, St. Anne's. Oh. What's up, everybody? You know it's all about credit. And right now we're in Ochi for Rum Bar Bubbles, beer vibes, beer entertainment. Here, girls, so here we're gonna do. We're gonna roll on the party, show you walk one, don't move. Rum Bar Bubbles.
You well black, girl them fat, go on bad when you tune them drop. One just chop and bust her head back when treat vibes bust up in her head top. Oh God, party mad, girl them a say Gaza party bad. Girl that sweet like a butter bag, Zamunda gone with 41. I grade. I crush out in a hand, me no want see no man a part with 40 man. Girl inna the club with them a party pan, them say the world party man the party done. Girl them love how my pants them straight up, them love how my clocks them lace up, and at girl not take bait up. Hey boy, me a tell you this straight up. Say
it's all about Rum Bar Bubbles. You don't know the things that I owe you there now. The girl them dash up, but just find TT. TT, what's up?
Nothing much.
Alright, tell me how you liking the party so far?
It's shot mad.
Alright, what you love most in the party?
Well, the vibes is all good. The liquor just shot me, I tell you. It was fun.
Alright, you see that? I love her. I swear to God. Oh, hey. Rum Bar Bubbles, turn up. And right now, we're here with Susan. Susan, what's up?
I'm doing good. Enjoying the vibe.
You're from Ochi, right?
Actually, I'm from Kingston.
Alright, you're from Kingston. Why you here at Rum Bar Bubbles now?
Because Rum Bar Bubbles is the talk of the town.
Alright, see, the talk of the town. What, can I ask you, what you enjoying the most in the party right now? That's the question for the night.
The vibes and the selectors that are playing.
Alright, see it? Wanna hear that? Rum Bar Bubbles, the thing turn up. Tell me how you enjoying the party so far.
Yo, the party turn up it loud.
Alright. What you love most about Rum Bar Bubbles right now?
Everything. The party shot. I can't talk. I'm drinking rum bar. I'm frost.
Them charge. I swear to God, Pree Dis, keep it locked, don't it?
It's the best party ever.
Why you guys in Jamaica?
Vacation.
Alright. And what's your name?
Liz.
Liz, tell me how you liking the party so far.
It's awesome. Come here.
You hear it? New Orleans in the business, all about Rum Bar Bubbles.
As you can see exactly what is happening right now. Rum Bar Bubbles 4th anniversary. We at capacity. We have to stop taking people at the gate because the venue is full. So the turnout for the 4th anniversary was amazing, as you can see. If you weren't here, you miss it.
All right, Shab, tell me about the concept of the party. Why bubbles? Why bubbles?
Well, bubbles have been around for a very long time. And the concept came about, bubbles came about because it was all about a party where the girls them just come out and have fun and enjoy themselves. So that's how the concept came. We listened to the song once that Conscience did. I was like, bubbles, catch it. And then Rum Bar came aboard, and from Rum Bar touching it just became gold, automatically.
All right, then tell me about the selection of the DJs now. Why this DJ lineup?
Well, tonight for the anniversary, we wanted to bring out a difference. So we went all out on the DJs. We went and we got Raz and Biggie, we got Charisma, we had Copper Shot, and we had Hyperactive Sound.
We are here at Rum Bar Bubbles with Kingsley, the zone manager for Rum Bar. Kingsley, tell me about this event right now. Rum Bar Bubbles, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, real good. There's over 5,000 persons here and growing. I'm still collecting at the gate. I know it's to 2. The event is done in 2:30. And at the gate, the rum is drinking. People is enjoying themselves. The atmosphere is really wonderful. And this reminds me, I chug it, a big event in Kingston, and to have it here, this side of the island, you know, the official North Coast party, Rum Bar Bubbles. Atmosphere is good, you know, and we as a major sponsor really feel wonderful to be a part of this event. And I think my boss himself, if he was here, he'd feel good. That is Mr. Paul Hamilton. And the whole Rum Bar team, you know, the team is a team effort from everybody, both from the office, our Danisha, Samuel, Samantha, the girls at the office, everybody who have a part to do with this. And me as the supervisor for the year, I really feel good. We have Rare the Gold is an excellent product. However, Rum Bar Rum Cream is an excellent product. The #1 rum cream right now is in the island.
All right, and Kings, you see, they have it. Kings is the zone manager for Rum Bar, and it's all about Rum Bar Bubbles, the baddest party right now in Oche. Now, he recently recorded the song Continue Wine for DJ Frost, and DeMarco is now on a roll. Of course, the Pree Dis team had to catch up with him to see what's going on. So if you don't know DeMarco, or if you've been missing some DeMarco, you need to watch his feature. DeMarco, talk to them, my boss.
Hey, Russian. Watch her abroad out now the session. Me I got so where she depend. And this is my confession. Hey, girl, look how your body clean. Looking at the girl them at the magazine. Girl I say me too sweet like a cookie cream. Yeah, the boy the way you look, your girl enough again. Sexy body girl, girl me love you. Love when you bend up in a S and in a W. Hey, slim ass, how are you up to? You fat girl, them need love to me.
Well, I believe so. If you always reinvent yourself and do different things, you know what I mean, to make people say, yo, DeMarco do that song there. Like more time, I just change up all my flow, change up my voice, everything. People say, I never know how him do that song there. And then when them see the video and everything, they must say, yo, DeMarco, you're him bad, you see me? I'm just, you know, just try to do fresh, new ideas and everything, you see me? And just keep current. When me do a song and it lasts for a while, like even I Love My Life. That song was released in 2010, and it's still up to now when it played in a dance everywhere it get forward, you know. So when me do my song, them it lasts. So doing music that people can relate to, and they can listen my song and say, you know, so I got through this already in a life. I sing things where real life things where people go through, where I see people go through or me go through, and them say, yo, DeMarco, yo, I'm a good artist, you know, yo, him inspire me, you know, yo, Jano, I rate him. So that is the type of artist me is. First it was Bounty Killer, you know, because him really was the one who made me want to turn an artist. I used to like him sang them and voice, rough voice, and when him come on the beat and everything, and I say, yo, I want to be an artist, yo, I can deliver a song like how Bounty Killer do it, and used to try for imitate him voice and sing. And I started out producing, and then that now give me a way to do songs and then let people hear it, because I would produce a rhythm for somebody, like for Baby G from Jammy's, from King Jammy's son, and I would do a song on the beat that I produced, that I built for him, and he would voice up the rhythm and he would tell like the disc jockeys, yo, you know, say, the artist here, him name Demarco, him build the rhythm to him body, you know, give him a strength and them things. So, but I got show it in a music still, cause a whole heap of use me get billing tracks with people and never get no money. But I pay my dues, you see me. So my song I Love My Life, cause it took me all over the world. I went to Haiti, went to Colombia, Europe, went to 2 places in Africa. I mean, that song, it brought me to places that a lot of artists now have been to. Right, I've been working with, you have Chimney, Jordan, you have Arms House Records, been working with TJ, Andrew Blacks. I have an album right now that I produce, but it's not out yet, so I've been working on that. It's like alternative reggae. I mean, it's like the Bruno Mars type of things, you know what I mean? The lazy song and those type of vibes. Watch the girl, them a wine and a work it. Sexy body with the skirt fit, work it. From you know say you worth it, work it. My girl, me want girt it, cha. The girl, them come out cause a wine in time. And him and I see the girl, they are blind in blind. Girl a tip on the two and a shine in line. For the girl, them, cha. And me say, who I go get this money? And me say, worky, worky like Obia.
It's now that time of the show where we tell you to drink responsibly. Whatever your party, whatever you do, just do it responsibly. So right now, it's Rumbar Responsible Drinking Tip brought to you by my friend Terro 3000. So Terro, talk to them now. Responsible Drinking Tip.
Cruddy, you know it's all about the responsible drinking tip of the week. Now parents, if you suspect that your teenager has a serious drinking problem, don't hesitate to get professional help and support. Many physicians and addiction counselors can offer you information on treatment options. Many teenagers respect a direct, honest approach. If you think your child is drinking, it may be best to ask them directly. Don't be condemning or judgmental. Try to get the facts. Now that's it for the drinking tip for this week, which was brought to you by Rumbar Rum. I am Terror 3000. Cruddy, take it away.
Each week we go for 3 commercial breaks, and it's now time for first commercial break. So when we get back, you know we have a lot more. Keep it locked. No flipping. Keep it locked.